MMM stock analysis and MMM stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. 3M company, it's already $148 up. Honestly, like as it's sitting at 0.9% up. Honestly, man, I'm just looking to double down even more on this. So how is all this going to look like? Well, to be very honest and upfront with you, if I wanted to see a double break, but I'm not seeing it currently, you know, so how is this going to look like? It's actually very simple. Like, I'm just going to get rid of this. And if I don't see any sort of double break from here on, then I'm just not going to buy. I mean, people like to overcomplicate stuff, but it's really not that deep. Really, like, come on. Like, if there's no shift this here and not buying, it's very simple. So if you want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.